Sorry about that, guys, just had to change the stem around, put it back on the right way because my forks were pointing the wrong way. Anyway, where are we? So stock fork, stock front wheel, stock tyre, multi-surface, gold spokes, gold rim. Okay, black front female hub. Yep. So let's make our way down. So stock frame, verde on sticker. Nice frame, nice detail on the sticker there. Just a couple of cable straps for the cable, obviously. Gold pivotal padded federal seat. And you see a little hole there. Yep. Okay. Gold stock seat post. No, stock seat clamp and season goldish stem, pivotal stem. Okay. Stock sprocket. Stock cranks, quite thin, nice though, light, but really they're really strong as well. Obviously, it's wearing off a bit there, the paint. Right, new today, Odyssey limited edition clear gold pedals, the white cap on it, twisted. Yeah, they're really nice. I like them, very grippy as well. Stock chain. Okay, stock calipers, but as you can see here, clear brake pads, screecher pads, Odyssey. We've got 9T cassette hub in the back, 25T in the front. Stock tyre again, stock rim with stock spokes obviously, but as you can see with the rim there, it's worn off a bit from the brake pads. That's probably the only thing I'd say about the bike which is bad, apart from the grips. That's pretty much it. But now I'm just going to do the hub sound. So that's just pedaling back normally. Now if I bear with me, that's pedaling. It's quite loud for a stock hub. I'm going to get it cleaned out so it's even louder. I think that's pretty much it. Last scan over the bike. Okay, I'm out.